Hi everyone, this is a new Royal Enfield Bullet ES350cc ABS variant. This is the key of this bike. In this video I am going to show different specifications in this bike. Let us go near the bike. Here is the handle lock. Let us unlock it. It looks so bold. This place is for turning on the ignition key. It comes with PS4 norms. That's why these headlamps always turn on directly after switching on the ignition key. In its instrumental cluster, you can see an ABS symbol, a fuel empty indicator, and a Royal Enfield logo. Its speedometer contains up to 160 km/h and a neutral symbol. This is front disc fluid supply storage box. This is engine start-off switch. This switch is for turning on headlamps. This is electric start button. When comes to left hand side, this is high and low beam headlight switch. This is dim dip headlight switch. We have left and right indicator switch. This is horn switch here. This is fuel opening lid. Its fuel capacity is 13.5 liters. This is tank protection rubber pad for it's from Autographics. You can see Royal Enfield sticker on tank here. We have two chrome mirrors. We have two DRLs here and halogen LED lamp. Front suspension is telescopic, 35mm fork, 130mm travel. Brake on front is 280mm disc, 2-piston caliper. It comes with ABS. Tire size on the front is 3.25 into 19-inch wheel. This is airfly engine guard from Royal Enfield. And this is some guard that protects your bike from mud and water spills. I have provided the installation link in the description. Bullet has only one horn. The engine type is single cylinder 4-stroke twin spark air cooled. Fuel supply is 29mm constant vacuum carburetor. Displacement is 346 cc. Maximum power is 19.8 bhp. Engine oil level can be seen after you start the engine. You get single silencer in Bullet ES. This is for kickstart and the usage is smooth. And you have a self-start too. Rear brake pedal is here. You get a single 2-seat seat. So this is modified seat, and I have shared the link of the seat installation in the description. The rear suspension is twin gas charged shock absorbers with 5-step adjustable preload 80 mm travel. This is how the rear side of the Bullet ES looks. Tires on the rear is 3.25 into 19-inch wheels. Brake on rear is 153 mm drum single lead internal expanding. Its ground clearance is 135 mm. This is battery box. I have received 12 volts dry battery. The gearbox is 5-speed constant mesh. Pressing this is first gear and then 2, 3, 4, 5 gears, and reverse 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and slight push on the back for neutral. You can see the side stand here, and this vehicle is standing on center stand. There is ABS tooth here. Bullet ES works on chain system, and you can see the chain here. There's a toolbox here. The bike's length is 2140 mm and width is 810 mm, height is 1120 mm, and curb weight is 187 kgs with 90% fuel and oil. This protective rubber is a separate accessory. This lady's handle is also a separate accessory. Thanks for watching. For more interesting video like this, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more latest video updates. Thank you.